Let's hear it for all our contestants today. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you all for showing up.
Yeah. Maybe spend one next year?
And coming up on the first turn. And they're past the first turn. 5. He's through gate 5. Hip hip. Hooray! Through gate 6. Hip hip. Hooray! Made the correct decision and is through gate 9. Hip hip. Hooray! Coming up on gate 10 and through gate 10. Hip hip. Hooray! Buddy.
Very good, though. The problem solving behind the scenes. Who wants to see a robot work? We want to know the blood, sweat, and tears behind the robot.
Currently, it's charging. That is the issue.
And it's just desperately trying to keep a charge?
Yeah, it's trying to drink all the juice.
It turns out that when he worked on this project, he didn't charge it the entire time.
Oh. I would do it. This is run 2. I don't know how much of run 1 I got.
Okay, my speaker is quit again, so I'm going to have to talk very loud. And they're through gate 0.
See, faster equals less awesome.
It's awesome that it speeds up at gate 0. Coming up on the first turn and around the first turn. Coming up on gate 1.
Oh, you flex it.
And they are through gate 1. Hip hip. Hooray!
Uh-oh.
They're off the line. And they have past gate 2.
Now in run 1 they were perfect, and I think that my camera was not perfect.
They missed gate 3.
They're just off the track. Try again!
What is going
Just
on?
getting
W?
through gate 0.
Okay, PID. What if we just like divide W by like
Off through gate 0. Coming up on the first turn and down the line and found the line again and following the line and made the wrong decision for gate 9.
Okay.
And now they're correcting. Made the wrong
Right now.
I'm going to try off the white line. Looking for the white line. And they're through gate 0. Spilled coffee. And past the spilled coffee. Following the curve.
That's a good follow.
Watch shadows, right?
Very good. Coming up on gate 1. Through gate 1. Hip hip. That's much better. Thank you. Coming up on gate 2. And through gate 2. Hip hip. Through gate 3. All right. Around the curves. Coming up on gate 4. Hip hip.
Looking good, looking good.
Looking good for gate 5.
I need
Through
ND.
gate 5. Hip hip. Coming up on gate 6. Hip hip. Hooray! Through gate 8, coming down the ramp. Coming up on the first decision.
Decision time.
Oh! Made the correct decision. And gate 9. Hip hip. Hooray! Made the correct decision for gate 10. Gate 10. Hip hip. Hooray! Made the correct decision for gate 11.
There it is. Yeah.
Need to make another one. Yes. Gate 11. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Made the correct decision for gate 14. And coming up on gate 14. Hip hip.
Very nice.
RC car chassis. Winners, undergrad category, Sid, who made gate 14 in 2 minutes 45 seconds, winning $1,000. Second place is Undefined Behavior, making gate 9 in 2 minutes and 13 seconds, winning $500. Oh,
Get out of that. Get out of that. Oh, go back.
looking for the white line again.
Go back. He's like, what do I do?